What's up, everybody? Groggy D, how you doing today? Today I've got a massive fountain, world-class fireworks, Friday night lights. And this is actually a hybrid fountain. It emits showers of sparks and shoots flaming balls at the end of the performance. This is a tall fountain with a tall price tag. Half of that, $45 retail at American Discount Fireworks. But thank you, American Discount Fireworks, once again for hooking up Groggy D with this one for free. He had a leftover, didn't get a chance to shoot it. Now, as you look at this package, I want you to notice that this is one that does not have a football pictured on it. Well, I've seen both versions of this fountain. One has a football, one has a football field. This one has red, green, blue fish, Tyrian ginkgo, and brocade crown to silver chrysanthemum. Those are the shots at the end. The brocade crown tails, two little pops of crackle in the sky. However, the other fountain, which again almost looks identical, I was really fooled by this, don't know if it's an older version, newer version, or what, but it starts with the ginkgo and then goes into a crackle and then the brocade crown to silver chrysanthemum. And they both last about the same length, about a minute in total. Give you all sides of this really neat fountain, and I can't wait to see how it does. Join us out in the backyard for a minute and 10 seconds with Friday Night Lights. We'll have this on a Friday night. It's actually Friday when I'm shooting this, so thank you, and please like and subscribe to Groggy D. Thanks again to American Discount Fireworks for hooking me up. Bye-bye. All right, got a water bucket ready for potential fires in this dry weather. A little extra delayed fuse so I can get away far enough for those tall shots. And I'm going to use 1x zoom and 5x zoom for the effects that I'm trying to capture. Friday night. This is Friday Night Lights. Here we go. Try to stay kind of close here. Yeah, this should be good. Zoom in a little bit. Very pretty color. Ooh, that's tall. Here's the ginkgo, and now we'll get the shots soon. Pretty gold. Nice. Haha. All right. Happy Friday, everybody. Gotta put some fires out. Good night.